your Samsung phone's theme isn't functioning properly or the store fails to load, don't worry. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide to help you resolve the theme-related issues on your device. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Change load store content. First, open up the settings, then scroll down, find out the themes, and tap on it. Now tap on menu from the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the settings icon from the top right corner. Then tap on load store content. Make sure to select using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Solution 2. Check your software update. Go back to the settings page again, find out the software update option, and then tap on it. Then tap download and install. If you have any updates available, then it will start downloading automatically. If you still have the same issue, then follow my last solution. Solution 3. Clear themes cache. Go back to settings, scroll down, tap on apps. Now tap on the search bar from the top, then type themes. After that, tap on Galaxy Themes, scroll down again, then tap on storage. Next, tap on the clear cache from the bottom right corner. So folks, that's how you can resolve the theme malfunction on your Samsung phone. If anything isn't clear or you have questions, feel free to leave a comment below.